Guruan, ada si bokutin kata dong deh.
Bear with me. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
All right. Bear with me. All right, it's starting up. You hear how loud that is?
Yeah, that's the fan.
You think?
Oh yeah, that's definitely the fan.
All right, hang on. I'm gonna flip on the air conditioner now because it's just a fan blowing right now. Because you can change the temperature setting, you know.
Right.
What the heck? Hang on, this thing's acting up. What the hell? Oh shit! Hello?
Yeah, I'm here.
Hey man, hey, look, I had to go in another room. That thing is going nuts right now. It looks like it's shooting blue flames out of the vent.
Yeah, shut that thing off. Unplug that baby.
What's that?
I said unplug that thing.
I can barely hear you over this thing.
Unplug it.
No shit. Hang on, the flames are getting bigger. What the hell is going on? Hang on, bear with me, sir. Oh shit. This thing's going haywire.
Yeah, rip the plug out of the wall.
It's... Alright, I'm gonna try to get it out. Hang on, bear with me. Man, this thing's really acting up. Oh shit. Can you hear me?
I can hear you.
Alright, yeah, it's going haywire right now. Just hang on. I'm gonna try to get the plug out of the wall. I'm gonna go in the room. It may be loud for a second. Alright, I think I got it shut off. I just ripped the plug out. It's still shooting flames. Hang on. Alright, it says powering down. What the hell? Alright. Oh my god. It's smoking right now. It melted the top off the unit. I don't know how the hell it even got.
Sounds like you're at the airport. Sounds like you're at the airport.
No, that was my air conditioner, man.
That is nuts. We don't service those things in the home. Do you
Yeah.
have a service plan on that thing?
Do I have what?
Do you have a service plan on that thing?
Yeah, I got it through you guys. It was like a secondary contractor. He was kind of a shady guy. He said his name was Jose.
All right. Did he? I mean, you got it. You got it from him with a warranty on it.
Yeah, it's from Best Buy.
All right. Well, just bring it back to the store.
Well, okay. So, do you know how to troubleshoot this thing? I mean, I've never dealt with this before.
Yeah. This is something we don't service them in the home.
Hang on, that thing I can see heat waves coming off of it. Just bear with me. I'm gonna pour some water on it really quick. It's really hot.
Yeah.
All right. What the hell, sir?
Yep, I'm here.
Yeah, it's sparking right now. I mean, it looks like there's some sort of electric voltage going over the plug.
So you get it unplugged, right?
No, I left it plugged in. You said to pour water on it, right?
No, I said to unplug it.
Unplug it?
I never said to plug. Yeah, I never said to plug to pour water on it.
You said plug it in and pour water on it. That's what I heard.
Okay, whatever, buddy.
What the hell? Sir?
I said plug it in, pour water on it.
Plug it in and put water on it?
No.
What do you want me to do?
You have a good day, sir.
asshole.